I grew up on a small farm, and so I was very much into animals and agriculture and all of that from a very young age. I am an RNA biologist, so I focus on the very small aspects of plant science, gene expression in that world, and so a lot of the impact I've made here has been as a gene expression liaison. So I sit at the interface between our project teams and our basic science gene expression understanding, helping to translate that strategy of the next age of gene expression into our project teams and ultimately our products. The science is amazing and I love it, but it's the people that are the motivating factor. And so one of the biggest things I've done that I'm proud of is mentorship across all different ages and stages of people, kids who come in not knowing exactly what they want to do or where they want to go, and then have them leaving with like, oh, that was so helpful. Our conversation helped me so much to identify with myself or with what you're doing or what these people are doing. I've built a lot of my career around communicating with others. It's hard to communicate really in-depth science to a scientist that is in a different sphere. And I find myself pretty good at that, and I love it. I love to meet the people, I love to talk about the science and to help someone understand something that they didn't before. We have so much potential to use the newest technologies to learn from everything around us. Suddenly, sequencing is ridiculously cheap. Something that wasn't possible 5 years ago, 10 years ago. Suddenly it is possible now. Suddenly we have the capacity to use something just enormous data-wise and make really informed decisions and choices and impacts. And so that is awesome. We need to do more things where we bring people who are in St. Louis doing science together to focus on how we can work together, how we can learn from each other, how we can improve things for everyone by working as a community. We are one team, whether that's within Bayer or within St. Louis. If we think of ourselves as one team, we could make such a bigger impact. We should be having more of these conversations and maybe doing it a little better and learning from each other every time we have the chance. I think everyone who works at Bayer in any capacity is working to increase global food security in some way. You know, whether it is increasing pest control in some part of the world or increasing yield or herbicide tolerance, we all work together as one giant team here at Bayer focused on agriculture and food security and like bringing plant science into the future to make a better world for everyone.